this video, we will see how to install Rajmarg Yatra app from Google Play Store. Type Rajmarg Yatra in the Google search. You will find the app. Click on install, and the version should be 3.0.2. Once the app is installed, click on open. Provide your mobile number, or you can even log in with your Gmail. You will be receiving an OTP. Click on verify, and you'll be logged into the application. So you can see so many options there. Like the first one is Annual Pass, which we're interested in. So it will take you through a steps of process, and it will explain you what is what. And since my account is already activated, I could see my pass already. So you can also see all the maps here. So where the tolls are eligible. There are some tolls like state highways or the Mysore Bangalore Express highways and some others basically. So those are not included in this annual pass. So the amount will be directly deducted. You can also find some emergency numbers and any alerts if you want to raise. So many options are available there. You can even recharge your FASTag wallet from this app. This is a good app basically, better than a FASTag app. So the cost for this is 3,000. This is a one-time payment for a year. So this is valid only for 200 trips. So to activate this, right, like click on the Annual Pass app, then enter your vehicle number and click Get Pass. So it will verify your current FASTag basically. So once that is done, it will send a OTP to your mobile number. So you need to agree to the terms and condition and to proceed to the payment. So in the payment window, you need to provide your mobile number and email ID and click on continue. So basically this is a very good gift from central government of India. So now you can see the UPI option is enabled. So you need to provide a UPI ID and click continue to payment. So it will ask for the Google Pay authentication. So click on that Google Pay notification and click on pay. That's it. Once the payment is verified, you'll be taken back to the app. So it is taking some time here. So the payment has been confirmed. So you are now redirected to the home page of the app. So you can download the receipt. You can see all the details, your reference number, date, and payment methods and amount paid. You can download the annual pass receipt, or you can save it in your Google Drive or your local storage, and that's it. You can see the congratulations message with the card, basically where your annual pass is activated. So the central government can also think of bringing this scheme to commercial vehicle as well, and provide some more options like payment of 5,000 for 500 trips and so on. So that will help the people who are travel very frequently through the highways, or for the weekend travelers. So thanks to Modi government and thanks to Nitin Gadkari ji for this wonderful gift on India's 79th Independence Day. Thanks. Jai Hind. Also, don't forget to like our channel, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who keep traveling. Thanks for watching.